Have you heard of SASE? You might think it's just another buzzword in the tech world, but it's not. SASE, which stands for Secure Access Service. Edge represents one of the biggest shifts in how companies approach networking and security. To really understand SASE, we need to take a quick look back. For many years, enterprises followed a simple model. Everything was inside: the users, the data, the apps, all within a corporate perimeter. Access was from the office, and security was focused on defending that perimeter. A firewall here, a VPN there, and things worked just fine. That made sense. In a world where people worked on-site, applications ran on internal servers, and the internet was just an external tool. But today we have remote workers connecting from anywhere. Apps are running across multiple clouds. Data flows between branches, mobile devices, SaaS platforms, and APIs. In other words, the perimeter is gone. And when the perimeter disappears, the traditional security model, protecting the inside from the outside, completely falls apart. That's where SASE comes in. SASE is a cloud-native architecture introduced by Gartner that merges two major IT functions: networking and security. And the key is how it's delivered as a service from the cloud, as close as possible to the user. Think of it like this. Instead of forcing a remote worker to connect through a slow VPN tunnel to the company's data center, the user connects directly to the cloud-based app, but through a secure, distributed access point, managed and updated in real time. That's the edge in Secure Access Service Edge. Security meets the user where they are. The network adapts to find the best path, and everything happens seamlessly, scalably, and intelligently. Inside a SASE architecture, you'll find a few core components. SD-WAN, which intelligently routes traffic between branches, users, and apps, improving performance and reducing costs. Firewall as a service, offering cloud-delivered protection without physical appliances. Zero Trust Network Access, where trust is never assumed and every connection is verified. CASB, which monitors and protects cloud application usage. And DLP, which ensures sensitive data isn't leaked, even from a personal device at home. All of this is managed under a single, centralized policy, defined by identity, context, and risk. It doesn't matter if your user is in New York, Snow Paulo, or working from a cabin in the mountains. Their access is secure, smart, and frictionless. And here's the powerful part. SASE is not just for large enterprises. Even small and mid-sized businesses are adopting it to modernize their infrastructure, reduce hardware costs, and gain visibility and control. At its core, SASE is about putting network and security where they belong. Close to the user, close to the data, close to the app. It's not just another tool. It's a new way of thinking. It reflects a world where work is remote, data is distributed, and threats can come from anywhere. So if you're in tech, cybersecurity, connectivity, or digital transformation, here's the bottom line. SASE is not a trend. It's a necessary evil, because in today's digital world, the perimeter is no longer a place. What matters is context. And that's exactly where SASE delivers. Securing access based on who is connecting, what they're accessing, and where they are. All in real time. That's what makes SASE not just modern, but essential.